Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. So in today's video, I want to talk about the Blue Yeti X. So this microphone surprised me very well. This microphone, the sound of this microphone is actually very great. It sounds like an XLR microphone. So an XLR microphone is basically a microphone that doesn't have any USB port. But this one, the Blue Yeti X, does have a USB port. You can just attach it to your laptop or PC directly. So you don't need to have an interface or whatever. And in this video, I want to just unbox this microphone for you guys, just to show you what the build quality is, the box, how it looks like, what it contains, and all of that stuff. So first of all, this is, it's a card with how the microphone works. You can use a microphone for multiple purposes. So if you have a podcast or you want to do voiceovers for your YouTube channel, this microphone is actually very great. And here we see the actual microphone. It's very solid. It's made out of metal. But let's first look at what's inside the box. We have here a USB cable. And the downside about this microphone is that they didn't use USB-C, which is a bummer, if you would ask me. This is a USB, an old USB cable, and it doesn't work that well. I mean, in a world where there's USB-C in every device, you should just go with the time and build a USB-C port in your microphone. But anyways, that isn't something that should scare you or not let you buy this microphone. Let me just put all these cards back to the box and just to grab the actual microphone. As you see right now, I'm having a hard time to put that card back in the box. I like how to keep everything nice and clean, so I put everything nice back to the box before I jump and take a look to the actual microphone. But now, when I put everything out of the way, let's just give a look to this beauty. It's actually a very good looking microphone. It's made out of metal, so no plastic there. And it feels very heavy. But at the same time, you place it just down and you don't use it. You just have to, you can also attach it to a boom arm. I'm not showing any boom arm in this video, unfortunately, because I thought this one will do the trick. But as you see right now, I'm just detaching the actual microphone out of the stand. So basically, this microphone is made out of two components: the microphone, like I'm holding right now, and the stand, which is the more heavier part. If you have a boom arm, but let's first talk about the stand, which is very heavy. So I just drop that screw over there. But like I said, you just put that stand on the table and you don't have to move it anymore once you've done so. So that's it, guys. It's a very short video, and if I can give you a final conclusion, I would say, you can just buy the microphone. You can also go for the cheaper one, which is, I guess, $100 on Amazon. But this one is also very good, and you will find it for like $140. I hope this video helped you a lot in your decision. If you have any questions about this microphone, let me know in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.